It's no secret that we love gummy candy at VAT19.
So when we launched the new gummy pizza, we couldn't help but give it the full pizza commercial treatment. Check it out.
Taste the authentic flavor of the gummy pizza, made with the freshest gummy ingredients. Hand-tossed gummy crust, topped with real shredded gummy, and a commitment to quality since 2007. When it's family time, it's gummy pizza time. All of the traditional gummy pizza tastes, like green apple, lemon, and orange. Order now for the ultimate meal deal. 2 gummy colas, no breadsticks, and an 8-inch gummy pizza. Make it pizza night, a gummy pizza night.
Buy the gummy pizza in a box and hundreds of other curiously awesome gifts at VAT19.com.
VAT19.com.
Don't just sit there. You know you want to see more gummy goodness. Check them out.
Hey, do you think I could get that tip now?
Here's a tip. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss another new video.
Just made a powerful enemy, bro.
See you later, bro.